Greetings to Madam Julia and fellow friends. We are from Group 4. We present our group project about artificial intelligence of face recognition in daily life. Hello everyone. My name is Ria Mas Malindo Sidik Paka with the matrix number 76629 and my team member is Haziruddin, Nur Aimuni, Rabiatul Adawiyah, Siti Mariam and Vanessa. So let's get started. First and foremost, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is advanced technology of computer science that relates with creating smart machines that's able to do various human tasks that require of human intelligence. One of the significant artificial intelligence is works on face recognition. Therefore, we are focusing on that part in this study. Generally, face recognition can be defined as the new biometric techniques that process the qualities of accuracy and intrusiveness. This technology was created in 1960, where Woodrow Wilson is the founder and had been called as the father of facial recognition. Nowadays, face recognition technology is become more widespread. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about face recognition in airport, smartphone, shopping mall, industry, school, also the contribution of AI in development of cognitive science in Malaysia. Let's move on to the next point, which is face recognition in airport. AI technology of face recognition had utilized in domestic airport, which is at Senai International Airport, Johor Bahru, Malaysia. The boarding system was launched in 2018 by AirAsia. It is called as Fast Airport Clearance Experience System, FACES. This biometric system was created to strengthen the security in airport to identify registered passenger check-in collectively within 1.5 to 4 seconds. FACES makes our life easier as we do not need to bring along our travel document when passes through the automated boarding gates for verification. FACES will do the scanning, which is the camera will take a snapshot of our faces. The faces data capture will be sent to Custom and Border Protection, then it will sync up based on the list of passenger images that had been registered. Faces also can recognize twins and it is not harmful for pregnant women, but it is only function for passengers at the age of 18 and above. Next, Rabiatul will discuss about AI in smartphone.
Next, I will talk about AI in smartphones. Life becomes easier when smartphone devices come with artificial intelligence as a special features. The AI features in smartphones are customized for photography, security, and power efficiency. AI chips have been launched by most smartphones companies such as Apple, Samsung, Huawei, Oppo, Vivo, and more, which are very powerful to perform so many operations in just a second. Facial recognition uses biometric software applications to identify a face and verify the smartphone's owner by analyzing some unique features on human faces. Facial recognition commonly works for security purposes as what fingerprint and passcode unlock deeds. Unfortunately, there is a popular brand like Apple that uses the facial recognition of AI technology to make a transaction through a smartphone, or also known as digital payment. Face recognition required no button to unlock the phone. It surely makes things fast and more convenient. Multiple parts of our face will be analyzed that includes our eyes position and the width of the nose. This advanced technology becomes possible when miniature 3D sensor combined with the learning algorithm function is introduced. The combination works extremely efficient. The face recognition cannot be misled by a mere image of a face because the 3D sensors that measure depth have been recognized. Moreover, AI technology can still be able to recognize faces regardless of poor lighting. In terms of security, facial recognition in Apple smartphones which is Face ID, can be considered the most secure. The software is sophisticated as it uses an infrared camera, 3D depth sensor, and dots projector to map 1,000 points on the face. The AI functions can recognize an authorized user looking at the phone screen, which will turn the smartphones on automatically, without the help of biometric such as fingerprint, passcode, or iris authentication.
I will explain about the use of this AI in the mall. The use of this AI in the shopping mall is intended to assist the authorities, especially the police, in ensuring security and tackling criminal problems beyond their control. Shopping malls are often associated with criminal problems such as robbery. This happens without anyone's supervision, and worst of all, the perpetrator is sometimes the same person. With this AI, it can recognize the face of the perpetrator and get all the information of the perpetrator more clearly. This will make it easier for the police to catch the criminals accurately. This picture is a face recognition from Herta company. This company has created the face recognition to recognize face even though that person is wearing a face mask or sunglasses or covering almost the entire face. This technology is still able to recognize their face, and the most important part of our face is our eye. That is because it will recognize our eye first before describing our entire face. The next point is to address the changing tastes of customer and the development of e-commerce. The result from the information obtained from this face recognition will help the mall manager to improve their service both in terms of controls or supply of goods that satisfy the taste of the customer. The result of the information also facilitated the development of the mall to attract repeat visits of the customer by sending advertisement and promotion that will be held at the mall via the customer's phone number or email. This AI is widely used in the US and China. China has used this technology with relaxed surveillance to identify customers coming in and out of the premise. Here is a picture of the result of face recognition at Jet Marketplace.
Next is artificial intelligence in industry. In industry, this face recognition technology is also more frequently used, especially in the tourism industry. This is because travel companies have to deal with tourists and customers in large number. Therefore, the availability of technologies such as face recognition can help speed up business process between employee and customers. For example, the Marriott Hotel in China has used this face recognition technology in the kiosk lobby to facilitate the check-in process. In fact, this technology will help the hotel provide the best service to guests. This face recognition technology is also important for security, as customer safety is a major responsibility. For example, face recognition can be used to help prevent crime or identify suspicious guests or visitors. Next is this face recognition technology is also used in the banking industry. This face recognition technology is used primarily for physical security and ID identification. For example, 7 banks in Japan have planned to equip ATM with face recognition technology. According to an account in the Japan Times, the machine will use biometric to verify the identity of someone who wants to create a bank account. The banking industry introduced this face recognition technology to help validate banking transactions as well as facilitate customer transactions. Although face recognition has caused a lot of controversy over privacy issues, innovative applications for this technology are still first demo tests to open a bank account with face verification at ATM in Japan. This AI face recognition is also important in industries such as healthcare. With the simple technology or application, facial recognition has the potential to make it easier for a patient to deal with doctor or go to the hospital without waiting. For example, in 2015, Apple has launched two simple applications such as Research Kit and Care Kit. This app is to help clinical trials manage patients and monitor their health without going to the hospital. In addition, facial recognition also provides great opportunities in the field of retail. For example, in China, consumers have used QR code scanning when entering a store. The camera will run a face recognition algorithm to identify buyers while entering the premise.
Hi, my name is Vanessa and I will continue the next point, which is AI in school. Nowadays, there are some schools that using the face recognitions, especially schools in United States of America. This is due to the numbers of violence and crime increase in that country. In 2019, there are 13 cases of shootings in the school report and caused at least 6 deaths on that years. For example, 2 students were killed and 3 of them injured during the assault at Saugus High School, Santa Clarita, California. Based on that cases, some schools start to use facial recognition to increase their security. Artificial intelligence in face recognition not only can detect the faces but also can detect the harmful stuff like the gun and the knife. This technology has been used by the school in New York City to protect the students from any other possible violence. However, only the clarified image will go to the database because the database is limited. This system can recognize objects by determining the numbers and mathematical equations. When the system recognizes the gun, it will be analyzed to the human monitor. An alert will be sent to administrations and the buildings will lock down. By using this system, any possible violence can be avoided because it helps humans to detect some stuff efficiently, and the numbers of attacks and shootings in school will decrease.
Lastly is contribution of AI in face recognition toward development in Malaysia. Contribution of AI face recognition toward development in Malaysia can be seen in Malaysia's effort to introduce this technology in Penang. Efforts to adapt face recognition technology have increased in Malaysia. For example, the use of face recognition technology in Malaysia has proven to be a positive effect as the state of Penang has launched the first CCTV face recognition aimed at controlling and combating crime in the state. The mayor of the Penang City Council believes that this new technology can help the police force in combating and overcoming criminal cases. Thus, advanced biometric can verify a person's identity by passing through image or video. In addition, with the confirmation of face recognition done by the bank, e-token is another effort taken by Malaysia to move forward. For example, this application aims to assist small and medium enterprises (SME) in offering secure and smooth transactions to the public.
So we move to conclusion. In conclusion, artificial intelligence of face recognition gives a big impact, both in terms of positive and negative effects. Among the positive impact, we can increase the security in some places, such as in airports, shopping malls, smartphones, and etc. Among the negative impact, This technology cannot be used 100% because every system still have the weaknesses. For example, face recognition in smartphone cannot process the user's faces if the lighting is bad, like this. So, let's look the example in the next slide.
Okay, this is an example in a smartphone. First, I must lock the screen, so I lock. Now, I am in a good light place, so when the phone is in the lock screen, I just need to show my face to unlock the phone. See, only take a few seconds to open it. On the other hand, if I am in a dark place, so I'm switch off the lamp, we see what is happening. I have shown my face in front of the phone, but I still cannot unlock my phone because the phone cannot fully detect my face.
However, every weaknesses can be overcome. Among them is make research and development, so it can improve the system function. To be concluded, we are strongly support the implementation of face recognition due in our country because it is very beneficial to all. Also, at the same time, to maintain the security in our country. That's all from me. Thank you.